Hi, hello. Today is another video, and we're going to do our 100 envelope savings challenge for the family. We are saving towards 20,000, and I can't wait to get it done. So keep watching. Hi, hello again. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, I talk about cash stuff and 100 envelope savings challenge, a lot of savings challenges. I also talk about my student loan. I also cash stuff my sinking fund. I do all sort of cash stuff and budgeting. So if you like it, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And our motivational message is telling us that getting there. This is such a cool, simple motivational message. Getting there. What have you been doing that you are getting there? Before you start saying getting there, it means you started something. I started a 100 envelope savings challenge for my family towards our 20,000 by the end of the year, and we are getting there. So today, we're going to do something to get there. So what have you been doing to get in there? Think about it. Before we start everything, let's count the money. Let me bring my calculator, which I still can't find one of the piece. But it's all because I have kids. So a lot of them. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20, which is $400. 20 times 20. That's 400. Oh, I didn't arrange it well as usual. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 600. Oh, I didn't add 400. Okay, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 65. Okay, 565. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 9. So plus 9. So we're going to put in $574. So let's go ahead and get this done. I will start with my binder, which is mine. We are doubling up. Let me send this back a little. I hope you guys can still see. This is the money. Yes. So mine, we are doubling up, and today we are in our 50s. We are going to our 50s. It means we are halfway done. So we started beginning of the year, which is 6 months. Trying to get it done by October. So I have like 4 months more. So let's see how far we can go today. Today we're going to do this 4, 49, 50, 51, 52. We are doubling up. So 49 times 2 is 98. So that will be 98. 90. Then 8. Okay. So I make sure I count the money right. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you guys what I've been doing. And I've been doing my own 100 envelope savings challenge booklet, and the sample came in, and I can't wait to show you guys. Super excited to show you guys. I can't wait. Let me just keep quiet before I spoil the surprise. Then we have 50 times 2 is 100. I can't keep quiet about it, but I hope you guys will like it. It's going to be affordable as usual. So that's 100. And it's definitely going to be more quality than this. Super excited. Okay, then I have 52 times 2 will give us 102. $2. Then 52 times 2 will give us 104. So 100 and $4. Okay, so that's all for mine. Let me update my truck. Oh, let's see. Oh, last time I sheet 49 by mistake. So we did 50, 51, 52. Okay, then let me record this. Okay, this pen is not working. Different time. And 800, 102, 104. So that's how far we are. So let's go ahead and put it on the side. Let's see. I can't close it. Okay. That's okay. Put it here. My next one is my mom's one, which that one too I'm trying to finish as quick as possible. And that one we put 25 in each box. So let's do 49. It's 25. At the end of the challenge, I'm getting 2,500 for her. And this also get 25. Okay, so that's that one. Call it. So that's how far we are with that one. Okay, hopefully I get it done as quick as possible. That's for mama. Then the last one will be for the kiddos, and I'm going to use the rest of the money for them. Via envelopes get $10. So for $10, Let's see how far we can go with the rest of the money. It's one of them that I'm trying to finish as well, as quick as possible. So any money that I get, I'm gonna put it. Let's get tender. Okay. Okay, that's really cool. We just have a few of them. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For this one, I definitely know I'm gonna get it done before October. For my husband and I's are honest, what is the tricky one? So it's not beautiful. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Remember, we are getting there. We are on our way to 20,000 and we are really getting there. So thanks for everybody for watching me today. I hope you guys are doing very well. And I can't wait to see you in my tomorrow's video. So go and be grateful. Bye bye.